Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today, a channel with a target for knowledge and growth. Are you new in Germany or you want to study for further education in Germany and you are looking into vocational training, you don't know which options you want to go into? My channel is a good place for you, whether you're a professional or non-professional, you want to embark on a journey for empowerment, enlightenment, then I encourage you to watch my video to the end. So if you're struggling to choose a career in Germany, today is all about technology. This is the third area of specialization when it comes to vocational training in the area of technology in Germany. So why do you want to choose Germany? Germany is known for its robust vocational training system, offering hands-on experience with academic learning. And not just the hands-on experience and the academic learning, you earn and learn as well. You are earning and you are learning. It's a perfect place to develop skills in a practical setting and open doors. It opens doors for multitude of career options. Don't forget to join our like-minded community of like-minded individuals where people that have integrated successfully share their success stories. Get inspired by their stories, find the support you need so that you can thrive in the new environment you are in. By watching this video, you are not just benefiting yourself, but you are becoming a beacon of knowledge, a platform of knowledge for your families, friends, and community. So help share our video. Write us in the comment section if you need more information concerning this vocational training, and together we can create a network of informed and inspired individuals. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can stay updated on all our latest videos. When it comes to vocational training, it must be a success in Germany when it comes to your career options. So today is all about genetic engineering. That is the area of specialization, Berufe in the gen technology. So I encourage you to watch this video to the end. It's all about genetic engineering. So the first career path under this area of specialization is the biology laboratory technician, that is biology laborantin. The duration is 3 years and 5 months if you want to go into this vocational training, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildung. It is a recognized training. Do you need the certificate? You need your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, or your Realschulabschluss. That's your high school living certificate, your university qualification certificate, your secondary school living certificate. With this, you can come into this career path. So what do you do as a biology laboratory technician? You analyze animals and plants, you isolate cells, you grow them on special culture media and examine them. You also compare and examine the structure of viruses or bacteria under an electron microscope. So if you are interested in analysis of tissue samples, blood samples, protein, prepare cells, dissect, analyze parasites and pests, then this is a career you will want to look into. Then if you want to work on experiments on animals, or you want to administer medication or take blood samples, or if you want to work when it comes to pharmacology, when you want to you want to know the interaction between drugs and organisms, then this is a career you want to look into. Or you want to check side effects of drugs when it comes to the development phase with the help of laboratory management and laboratory information systems. You can plan, test, and document, analyze your test as well. So where do you find the employment? You find the employment in the medical and biological research companies. You find employment, you also find employment in the public health sectors, in pharmaceutical and cosmetic manufacturing companies, and companies that produce biotechnological products, and companies that are into food manufacturing. So that is where you find employment. The second career when it comes to genetic engineering is going to be explained in this video. So I encourage you to watch the second part of this video. The information can be useful for a friend or a family. Don't forget to share it. Don't give up on your career. So I'll see you in the next part of the video. Welcome back. So this is the second career path. These are the two career options that we have under genetic engineering. The second career path I'll be discussing is the biological technical assistant, that is biology technician assistanting. The duration is 2 years. If you want to come into this career path, the duration is 2 years and it's a Beruf Fachschule Beruf. It is a vocational school occupation. Do you need a certificate? You need your Mittelbildungsabschluss. Apart from your Mittelbildungsabschluss, we know that you have to understand your German language. The Mittelbildungsabschluss, that is your intermediate living school certificate. You need it to get into this career path. Anything lower than that, you are not accepted. So as a biological technical assistant, what do? You support scientists in carrying out and evaluating experiments in the laboratory or in field trials. You carry out experiments, you take samples and prepare them. You calculate the required quantities of chemicals and operate measuring devices. In fields such as biochemistry, microbiology, botany, zoology, or medicine, in all these areas, you set up experimental setups, equipment, and provide the required chemicals, and you supervise, you carry out experiments, and you use a lot of biochemical substance which you get from organisms. They carry out experiments and write the protocols on the computer. You also document your results from the investigation and evaluate them and create calculations and statistical evaluations. So where do you find employment as an assistant? When it comes to biological technical assistants, you find employment in research industries in fields of natural science, medicine, or environment. So you also find employment in companies where they manufacture chemical, pharmaceutical industries that into testing. You find in the public administration jobs in the companies where they are into food industry. You find employment in research institute as well. So I encourage you to stay tuned for more of our videos. Your vocational training journey in Germany must be a success. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells so that you stay updated on all our videos. If you have questions or you need more clarification, write us in the comment section. We are always here to answer you. And your German language, if you have not started, I encourage you to do so. If you have done a very good job. Give yourself a big thumbs up. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you. In the next video, is going to start the fourth career area of specialization when it comes to the technology careers in vocational training that we have. So these are the only two vocational training options that you have when it comes to genetic engineering. So in the next video, I'll start with the fourth area of specialization. If you're interested in aerospace, I encourage you to watch out for that video. Click on your notification bell, hit on the subscribe button. So I see you in my next video.